My voice cracked so loudly during the solo that the entire auditorium winced, and I swore on that stage I'd never sing again. For months, I avoided music like it was poison, convinced I was a failure. But when life hit me with the kind of loneliness that echoes, I found my old guitar gathering dust under the bed. Strumming those first shaky chords, I realized my biggest mistake wasn't failing, it was letting fear steal my passion. Every failure was just a note in my song, teaching me how to play it better. Now, every time I sing, I remember, the only real mistake is giving up before the music's done.